Hey guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix Shopify TikTok app not compatible error. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. Now in this case, we first need to determine what is the cause of this issue. Well, typically the cause of this issue, well in this case going to say TikTok app not compatible error or app not compatible, typically it's because of your current location. Now TikTok in some cases in certain countries, TikTok will not be supported or not fully supported, meaning some apps or some features will not work. So typically when we go to our settings here and going to our section for apps and sales channel and going to Shopify App Store. Now in this case, when you go ahead and search for TikTok, so just give me an idea, I have TikTok already here. I don't need to install it. So sometimes it's going to say app not compatible. Now in this case, if that's the case, meaning in your current region or where your store is currently located, TikTok is not yet supported. So you won't be able to do anything about it, especially if the location that you indicated in your store is actually the actual location of your store. So meaning you won't be able to install the app itself. But in some cases, if you've, for example, you've indicated a wrong location for your store, well, typically you could just change this to your Shopify settings here. So in this case, you just need to go to store details and you want to change your, for example, you want to go to billing information, changing your address here. And from then on, you should be able to install the TikTok app in here. But then again, if you already set up your TikTok page or you've already set up your store or the actual location of your store is what indicated in your settings, then unfortunately you won't be able to install it. Again, some of the features of TikTok are not yet available on certain countries or regions, so that's why you're getting that. So in this case, the best thing that you can do here is just wait for TikTok to release an update regarding a TikTok app here on Shopify and see if your store is now supported. But yeah, so there's no workaround here. But if you've, like for example, if you want to move your store location to a different country or a different region, you could go and do that and see if TikTok is supported in that specific location. But yeah, so that's the only thing that we could do right now, and TikTok is only available in certain regions. But in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.